capacity unit. Break students into groups of 2 or 3. Use the scale, fill it with beans, trays with measuring devices on them. Mug, same scenario. Students will they'll estimate first about which unit of measurement is best fit. Is that little pot of beans a cup, a quart, a gallon, and so on? They test it out. They'll record their results on the worksheet given. Probably no more than 2 teams at this table at a time. Worksheets will be provided on the table, so we'll have an estimation section, and then they'll test their hypotheses. Table 2, somewhat similar. The test again, predict how many marbles, or not exactly how many, but the unit of measurement best fit for the marbles. Pour it into that container, keeping it over the tray. Then they can get an eye level and see about where that came to. Same with the other table, it won't always be exact. And to top it off, discuss volume. This is your example, cube of volume. Telling them it's not just its swirl-like area with the surface, but they have to count all the other squares as well. And then with a box of some sort, use the connecting cubes. Predict how many cubes will fill in that box, then test it, and then count the cubes. Yesterday, we had the students in a whole group. They filled in the containers using different food colorings. We compared also liters to quarts, and we have different shapes of liters. With metric, we also used 2 2-liter bottles. We poured red food coloring in one and poured blue in the quart. Compared the two, saw how they were similar, but the liter came up on top. So there's your lesson. And you can also introduce 250 milliliters and 500 milliliters to go with that. Talk about halves and quarters.